So, it is Thursday. It's not the weekend yet, but we're gonna have a extended weekend vlog because I tell you, the sun though, it's on my face. Hey guys. Hey. What should I? So hey guys, we at Make a Mark. My bad, hush. I cut her out. She did a kisses. With her road. Hi, big up Smith. To my baby father. Big up to my baby mother. And they're getting stuff to party, but I'm getting crazy. I'm healthy. He's too hard to me. I'll send for him. Oh, I like this from the ribs. I've seen these in ages.
Achi, you should have taken a few.
Tree. Why already? I took up one parking.
But you take up one then.
Guys, this is so cute. I'm trying to eat healthy here. You know that? Oh man, my eyes look terrible right now. Aren't you on off sweets for Lent?
No, this is for. Don't do that on camera. This is for a shower. Don't listen to her. It's not for me.
She said I'm off sweets for Lent. Is it?
I am.
It's
a shower. I am.
Look.
It's fun.
Oh my god, my eye. My one eye. Guys, tell me now. What is happening? Is there a dent to hurt me? It is hurting. So hey guys, just checking in. I am tired. I am so tired. Like, I don't know. I'm just really tired. But anyways, I am here. They left me in the car alone. Look at them. They're looking at me. But anyways, I'm just in the car chilling, but it's gonna burn me. Yeah. Darkness. JPS switch off me light. Now we have to use
close to where tomorrow morning.
Hey girl, flashlight.
Didn't tell us I have workshop.
Nasty boo boo. I can hardly see you. I know, but we can't see it.
Already good day. I want you fit your way.
Welcome to Friday. So today is Friday and well, it's about midday now or so, but I'm just having some fruits and some snack and just chilling, and I'm gonna clean my room. Hey guys, so it's about after 4 now. I am going to practice. Rain or fall. Yeah. so I forgot to totally pick up the vlog today. So it is Saturday, it's about 9:25 right now, and I totally forgot to pick up the vlog. But today I did some cleaning, did some house cleaning, and I washed my hair basically. So my hair is washed, and now I'm gonna retire to bed. So I'll pick up the vlog tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, which will be Sunday. So bye.
Sorry, put your would you leave me alone? What? Hey. Just say hey. No.
Hello, people. What are you doing? Hey, girl.
They don't like you.
Bye.
Another one. Got him. I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.